Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dandy from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with the circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And then another large circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Now underneath each of the eyes, let's draw a circular curve for the cheeks. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start with the curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it back down and in. And then another curve at the bottom to close it off. Now inside for the teeth, let's draw a vertical line down in the center. And then one more on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the flower petals. Let's draw an angled line up on the top left and the top right. And the same thing underneath. And then lines out from the sides of the head. Next, in between each of the lines, let's draw a curve for each of the petals. Now let's hop inside each of the petals and let's draw a line up from the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath, let's draw a U-shaped curve down and back up. And now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. We'll start with two curves down on the left and two on the right. Now for the hands, let's draw a long curve down and back up. And then a smaller curve for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's draw a curve down on the left and the right. Now top in towards the center and let's draw a longer curve on both sides. Then a curve out for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottoms with a curve across. And that's it for Dandy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!